Hey everyone, welcome back to the networking series. Today, we're diving into the world of VPNs or virtual private networks. VPNs are one of the best tools for securing your internet connection, especially when you're using public networks. In this video, we'll explain what VPNs are, how they work, and why they're so important for protecting your privacy online. By the end of this video, you'll know how VPNs keep your data secure and how to choose the right VPN for your needs. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a VPN? A virtual private network is a service that encrypts your internet connection and hides your IP address, allowing you to browse the web securely and privately. When you connect to a VPN, your internet traffic is routed through a secure server before it reaches the internet. This means that your real IP address is hidden, and anyone trying to spy on your connection will only see the IP address of the VPN server. The main purpose of a VPN is to protect your online privacy and security. When you're connected to the internet, especially on public Wi Fi networks, your data is vulnerable to being intercepted by hackers or other malicious actors. A VPN encrypts your data, making it nearly impossible for anyone to read or access your sensitive information. Let's break down how a VPN works. When you connect to a VPN, it creates a secure tunnel between your device and the VPN server. All of your data is encrypted before it's sent through this tunnel, meaning it's scrambled in such a way that only the VPN server can decrypt it. Once the data reaches the server, it's forwarded to the internet. The same process happens in reverse when the data is sent back to your device. Encryption is a critical part of how VPNs protect your data. VPNs use strong encryption algorithms to ensure that even if your data is intercepted, it's unreadable without the proper decryption key. Most VPNs use AES 256 encryption, which is considered one of the most secure encryption methods available today. Another key feature of VPNs is IP masking. Your IP address is a unique identifier that tells websites and services where your device is located. By using a VPN, your real IP address is hidden, and websites only see the IP address of the VPN server. This makes it much harder for third parties to track your online activity or identify your location. VPNs are especially useful when using public Wi Fi networks, like those in coffee shops, airports, or hotels. Public networks are often unsecured, making it easy for attackers to intercept data. With a VPN, even if someone intercepts your data on a public network, they won't be able to read it because it's encrypted. Now, let's talk about some of the different types of VPNs. First, we have remote access VPNs. This is the most common type of VPN used by individuals. A remote access VPN allows you to securely connect to the internet or a private network from anywhere in the world. It's perfect for when you're working remotely or need to access resources on your company's network while traveling. Next, we have site to site VPNs. These are commonly used by businesses to connect multiple office locations to each other over the internet. A site to site VPN creates a secure connection between two networks, allowing employees at different locations to share data as if they were in the same local network. Another common use for VPNs is bypassing geo restrictions. Many streaming services, websites, and apps are restricted based on your geographical location. A VPN allows you to connect to a server in another country, making it appear as though you're browsing from that location. This can help you access content that might otherwise be unavailable in your region. But VPNs aren't just for accessing content, they're also crucial for protecting your privacy from internet service providers, advertisers, and government surveillance. Many ISPs track your online activity and sell that data to advertisers. By using a VPN, you can prevent your ISP from seeing the websites that you visit, keeping your online activity private. Now that we know what a VPN does, let's talk about how to choose the VPN for you. When choosing a VPN, one of the most important factors to consider is security. Make sure the VPN provider uses strong encryption like AES 256 and supports secure protocols such as OpenVPN or WireGuard. These protocols ensure that your data is transmitted securely over the internet. You'll also want to check the privacy policy of the VPN provider. Some VPNs keep logs of your activity, which defeats the purpose of using a VPN for privacy. Look for a no log policy, which means the VPN provider doesn't store any information about your browsing activity. Very important. Another consideration is server locations. The more server locations a VPN has, the more flexibility you'll have in choosing where your IP address appears to be coming from. This is especially useful if you need to bypass geo restrictions or access content from different regions. Finally, consider the speed of the VPN. Because your traffic is being routed through an additional server, VPNs can sometimes slow down your connection. Look for a VPN provider that offers high-speed servers and minimal impact on your internet performance. One thing to keep in mind is that VPNs are not a cure-all for online security. While they provide a strong layer of privacy and protection, they should be used alongside other security measures like antivirus software, firewalls, and good browsing habits. So, to recap, a VPN or virtual private network encrypts your internet connection, hides your IP address, and helps secure your online activity. VPNs are especially useful when using public Wi Fi, protecting you from hackers and other threats. There are different types of VPNs, such as remote access VPNs and site to site VPNs, and they also help you bypass geo restrictions and protect your privacy from ISPs and advertisers. In our next video, we'll be diving into switching protocols and how they impact the flow of data across networks. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Thank you all for watching. I truly mean that. Your support means everything. The channel's nothing without you guys. So again, thank you. Please consider giving this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop me a comment. Hope you all have a great day. Until the next one, take care.